Hello! Welcome to my candle making workshop. My name's Mel. I am an installation artist and I live in Sydney. And I make big scale kind of installation art, lots of big sculptures and things like that. And I really have a passion for teaching creative workshops. So thanks for coming, and I'm really glad to be able to share some candle making skills with you. I love making my own candles, and it saves so much money these days. You know how expensive they are, that's probably why you're here. And it's just really great to be able to, get back to making things with our hands, taking time out for ourselves and being creative. So we're going to get straight into it, and we have lots to go through today. It's quite a technical class, so you can pause it at any time and go back to bits if you need to go over it again. So we have a range of materials here that'll be on your list of things that you have ready for your class. So we'll get straight into it.